Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah. So we are already into last 10 days of Ramadan, and as I've already said that Laylatul Qadr falls in the last 10 days of Ramadan. It is either the 21st or the 23rd or the 25th or the 27th or the 29th night. So we should try to search for this very night in these odd nights of the last 10 days. Don't just search for it on a particular night. Majority of the people, they do it only on the 27th. So don't just stick to 27th. It can be 27th, but it can also be 21st or 23rd or 25th or 29th as well. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants that we search for this very night. That's why He made the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam forget this very night. He was told as to which night is this, but then he was made to forget. So this is one of the wisdom behind Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam forgetting this night, that we search out for it. We make an effort to search for it. And Allah Ta'ala loves this when we try to search out for this very night. But on the other side, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam forgot this night when he came to the masjid to tell people as to which night is that. He saw there were two people disputing with each other, arguing with each other. And Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that I was told this night, but then because so and so were disputing, I was made to forget. So this is the evil of argumentation or of having disputes. We can have difference of opinions. Difference of opinions is not an issue. I can think of in a particular way and you can think in another way. That's not a problem, as long as, of course, both falls within the boundaries of Sharia. But when that difference of opinion turns into an argument, that is something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not like. So make sure that we don't argue with each other. We should love each other for the sake of Allah. We should ignore each other's shortcomings, each other's faults, love each other for the sake of Allah. Allah Ta'ala loves when we love each other for His sake. Prophet said sallallahu alaihi wasallam that none of you can enter paradise until that you believe. But then he said, you cannot truly believe until that you love each other. And then he said, should I tell you something that will put love in your hearts for each other? He said, Afshu salama bainakum, spread salam amongst yourselves. So the message of Laylatul Qadr is also that we love each other. And last but not the least, Sayyidah Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha asked the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam as to what dua should I make if I get Laylatul Qadr? So he said, make dua, Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'afu anni. Ya Allah, you pardon, you forgive, and you love that, love pardoning, you love that we forgive, so please forgive me as well. So that also shows that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves that we forgive each other's shortcomings. Allah ta'ala loves that, and if we want that Allah ta'ala forgives us, we make sure that we forgive others for the sake of Allah, and make sure that we also make this dua on Laylatul Qadr as was taught by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah Ta'ala forgive us all, and may Allah Ta'ala give us the benefit of this amazing night. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.